Hey guys, it's Demi. So today's video is just a tutorial on me doing my makeup. It's kind of just me rambling and talking and just kind of doing my makeup. In this video, I'll show you guys all the products that I use. I will also have them listed down below in websites to where you guys can order these products. Yeah, this was just a quick, simple, easy makeup look tutorial. You know, nothing special, just a little glitter on the eye and a little purple lip color. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by doing my eyes. I already did my eyebrows off camera. That was just so to make the video shorter, to make it easier. So I'm going to start with my eyes, and I'm going to be using Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And so I'm just going to go through and apply some of this to both my eyelids. I'm doing a quite simple glitter lid today. Nothing special, just a little, probably like 2 colors and some glitter or something. It won't be anything drastic. I'm going to take some shades from my Modern Renaissance packet by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We are going to have to cut that out because I said that wrong. It's Anastasia, Anna something. But I'm going to be taking this burnt orange color as my transition shade. And as you can see, it's like my favorite color because I used it down to the ground. So I'm just going to use this as my transition shade and put it in my crease just to deepen up the eye look a little bit. Drag that all the way to the front. And the key to doing eyeshadows is just blending. I'm not that great. I'm trying to get better. I just feel like the more I do it, the better I will get. But it's not really hard. But it's probably the thing that I'm least comfortable with. That I'm the least comfortable with in doing makeup is eyeshadow. Because I don't know why. I can do everything else. Just not eyeshadow. But we're gonna get it. I'm gonna learn with y'all. Y'all gonna leave y'all comments down below to give me tips and tricks and ideas on how to kill this eyeshadow game and how to get better at doing this eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm gonna take this chocolate brown, this Cypress Umber, and I'm going to put it dead in the crease of my eye and towards the outside. Just pack the color on and then fan it out. Bam! I think that's the look we're going for. Same thing, only in the crease pocket. And it'd be really hard. It's harder for me to do this eye with eyeshadow than to do this eye, because on this eye I have like this little fat pocket that sits like right here on my eye, and so it makes doing eyeshadow on this eye 10 times harder. Like generally this is the bad eye. This is the eye that looks the worst because I can't deal with this little fat pocket. If any of you guys have a fat pocket on your eye and you do eyeshadow and you have a tip for fat pockets, please let me know. Because, oh yes, the pocket stays swole. I'm going to put a base color eyeshadow just right here, just to give my lid some extra color. So still from my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm going to take this Beamer color and I'm just going to pack a little bit of this on the lid. I mean, you could do it with a brush too. I'm just doing it with my finger because it's easy. I'm just gonna buff that crease again. I want to keep the crease buff. And now I'm gonna go back over my lid and take this NYX glitter primer base, and I just take a little bit and I'm just going to pack it on top of that eyeshadow that I just placed on my eye. And you want to be careful with this. You only want to place it in the spots where you actually want glitter on your eye. The glitter I'm using is this Shanty glitter powder face and body glitter. I picked this up from my local beauty supply store. Okay, so I'm back. I just finished all of my eyes. I was recording my eyeshadow. I don't know if it picked up on the camera or not because I just looked at my camera and it wasn't recording. So, but I'm about to do my foundation. I've pre-primed my face with Urban Decay Daily Face Primer. The tag is gone, but it's the Urban Decay primer that comes in this purple bottle. I am going to be using the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream Foundation in the color Tobacco for my foundation. So I'm just going to slide this on back. And I'm going to be using the Beauty Blender. I'm going to spray it with my Max Fix Plus. Just to get it wet, spray it so that it's a damp beauty blender. And I'm just going to put some of this foundation on the back of my hand. A couple of pumps. And I'm just going to start filling it in. This is actually one of my first couple of times wearing this foundation. I hadn't really worn it a whole lot. I've had it for a long time. I hadn't really worn it a lot. I had bought it like last winter and I thought it was like a shade too dark for like winter time, so I had been waiting for the summer to come and for the sun to come out so that I could get a little darker, get a little color to my skin, and then I could see if this foundation would work for me. Okay, so next step, we are going to go through and highlight. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is color Tan. It's quite a few shades lighter than me, so. A little underneath my chin and around my mouth, because my mouth tends to crease a lot from talking and smiling and a lot of movement. I conceal in around my mouth just so. I have a little extra protection right there. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette and I'm going to apply my contour everywhere I want it. And I'm just going to take this little round brush, spray a little Fix Plus so it can get creamy. And I kind of go back and forth between these two right here. I don't like my contour to be really, really dark. I only do a little bit of contour. So. So now that my eye concealer has probably set long enough, I'm gonna just start patting it out, blending it down. And I kind of go back and forth between my beauty blender and my concealer brush, and I just kind of pat it out with the beauty blender and then kind of use my concealer brush and go around those edge areas that just need to be blended out. Now that the face is blended, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder and set my highlighted parts with that. Now I'm gonna take my my MAC Pro Longwear Press Powder, and I'm just going to press that everywhere else that I'm not going to be putting the highlight powder. So now it's time to do these lashes and do the under eyes and mascara and all that fun stuff that's just going to make your look. So the lashes that I will be using are J2 eyelashes. They are supposed to be 100% human hair, Remy, long lasting, full lashes, waterproof. I got these from my local beauty supply store. They were like $2.50. So I'm going to be applying my strip lashes with the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. So you're going to need a pair of tweezers. And so when you take a pack of lashes out, you hold the lashes. It goes like this from left to right, from the back being in the front. So this is your right eye, this is your left eye. The shortest part of the lash will always be on your inner lash corner towards your nose, so always remember that. If you ever get a pair of eyelashes and you think that the strip is too long and you need to cut it off, cut it from the short end. And so I just line both of my lashes with glue. I let the lashes sit for about 30 seconds until the glue kind of gets a little tacky, starts to turn clear. And then that's when you know your lashes are ready to be applied. So while I'm waiting on that to dry, I'm just going to take a little black liquid eyeliner and line the bottom of my eye, just so that it'll, you know, if I put my lash just like a tad bit too high, the eyeliner will cover it. So now your lashes are ready to be put on in the amount of time that you have spent tightlining your eye. Okay. The lashes are on. They're good, they're great, they're in place. Hey guys, so we ran into some technical difficulties and my camera cut off while I was applying my lipstick. But don't you worry, we'll have the final look here for you in 3, 2, 1. If you guys have any comments, any questions, any suggestions on makeup, on makeup tips, makeup trips, I'm not a makeup professional, so any tips and trips, any tips and tricks that you guys have will be greatly appreciated if you guys will leave those comments down below. Don't forget to like this video if you like this video, and don't be afraid to subscribe to my channel. I will be posting new videos every Tuesday, so subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on all of those things. And yeah, follow my social medias. I have all my social medias listed below. Most of them are at Demi Tim's, so they'll be pretty easy to find. But yeah, follow me on social media. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.